Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to withdraw money from JustMarkets in 2025. Whether you're looking to transfer funds to your bank, e-wallet, or crypto wallet, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your JustMarkets account. First, open the JustMarkets platform on your web browser or mobile app. Log in using your registered credentials, email, and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Withdrawal section. Once you're logged in, go to your account dashboard. Look for the Withdraw option in the menu, usually found under Funds or Account. Step 3. Choose your withdrawal method. JustMarkets offers various withdrawal methods like bank transfers, e-wallets, and cryptocurrency wallets. Select the method that fits your needs. Keep in mind, it's usually best to withdraw using the same method you used to deposit. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check the minimum withdrawal limits for your selected method to make sure everything aligns. Fill in the necessary details, such as your bank account number, e-wallet address, or crypto wallet address, depending on the method. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Carefully review all the withdrawal details to ensure they are correct. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA enabled, you'll be prompted to complete the verification process. Step 6. Wait for the withdrawal to process. After confirming the withdrawal, the process begins. Bank transfers may take a few days, while e-wallets and crypto withdrawals tend to be quicker, often processed within a few hours or days. Step 7. Check your withdrawal status. You'll receive a confirmation email once your withdrawal has been processed. You can also track your withdrawal status in your JustMarkets account to stay up to date on the progress. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw money from JustMarkets in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.